Let's face it, we all need to manage our data, and SOLIDWORKS PDM is a great tool for managing your important design data. But what about managing multiple data types so you can make critical business decisions? This can be a huge chore and often feels like you're running a three-ring circus. You're the ringmaster, and like wild animals, your file management, project management, process management, and bill of material data all need to be tamed and made to work together. PDM seamlessly integrates secure storage, version control, and team collaboration for your file data. But what about project management, process management, and bill of material data? And how do you bring all these data management tools together into a single interactive interface with custom reporting so you can make informed decisions? Enter SOLIDWORKS Manage. SOLIDWORKS Manage leverages the powerful SOLIDWORKS PDM platform. It retains the ease of use of SOLIDWORKS PDM and adds advanced data management tools that allow you to tame your data. SOLIDWORKS Manage's project management tool allows you to manage project stages, timelines, and milestones, view resource utilization and capacity, attach items, files, and deliverables, assign users tasks, and use timesheets to track progress. The process management features of SOLIDWORKS Manage streamline all of your business processes. Automate document creation, configure states and decision points, enable ad hoc approvals, and assign user tasks. Item management allows you to create, edit, and compare bills of materials, and automatically or selectively create items for SOLIDWORKS configurations. On top of all these capabilities, SOLIDWORKS Manage allows you to create interactive graphical dashboards to display critical information and configure custom reports to run automatically or on demand. Whether it's a bill of materials report complete with images and barcodes, or a status report on all engineering change requests, SOLIDWORKS Manage easily delivers the information. Managing all your data doesn't have to feel like running a three-ring circus. With SOLIDWORKS Manage, taming your data, regardless of what or where, is easy, allowing you to make more informed decisions faster. Learn more today at solidworks.com/manage.